So I am going to be doing a little unboxing of the EXplOration number 5 live album and DVD. I am so excited. I haven't been waiting that long for it because it was shipped through DHL. So I've already started to kind of unwind everything, but I haven't actually looked inside to see everything, so I'm so excited. Okay, so everything is in plastic packaging as expected, and I'm going to start with the DVD because that has less stuff in it. I don't have nails as a musician, but I'm going to try to open this by myself without getting anything to open it. We'll see how well that works. Let me just take off my earring, I'm sorry. Because I don't feel like going inside to get anything, and I think I should be able to open it. Yep, perfect. Okay, such a weird way to open stuff. Oh well. Okay. So I really appreciated how they packaged everything because bubble wrap is literally wrapped around the merchandise several times so that, you know, scuff marks or whatever else that's happening as it's being transported through the mail doesn't damage your product. Okay, so this is what the front of it looks like. It says Exoplanet number 5, EXplOration, and the side says the same thing. It has a compass there, and then it says Jonje Kwanramga. I'm not sure what that means. And it says DVD video right there. Okay, so I know as soon as you open it, there's a photo card. Well, I didn't see anyone's face, but like, okay, here I go. I got Sehun. Okay, I got Sehun. Okay, so this is the photo card. And on the back, it just says Exoplanet number 5, EXplOration. Okay. Oh, okay. Alright, so inside you have the 2 DVDs. They're pretty plain, just, you know, have the title on it, disc 1, disc 2. And let's see. Okay, this is what I'm super excited for. Like, there are so many postcards, and they're actually really good size. They're a good size, but I'm not. Oh, I see. You can pull it up like that. Okay. Okay. I'm not going to show all of them, just some of them. I hope that's clear. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is literally beautiful. Literally beautiful. Sorry, I'm filming on both my phone and my computer because sometimes my computer deletes videos. It's literally beautiful. Okay, and then it starts going through their individual images. Since today is Baekhyun's birthday, let me show a picture of Baekhyun. Let me find one. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so here we go. Here's a picture of Baekhyun. Okay. And then I'm gonna find a picture of Chen because he's one of my biases. So we've gotta find a picture. And then I will move on to the album. Yes, here's Chen. Yes. I love this picture so much. It's literally beautiful. So pretty. It reminds me of the vibe of one of his photo books with when he was doing April and a Flower. and when I think he had sang one of the songs off of the album in a live outdoor concert, and the picture really reminds me of that vibe. Okay, so let's put this back. Yeah, I can understand why a lot of people preferred to get, or at least a lot of people said that they preferred to get the live album, but it seemed like more people actually bought the DVD, which makes sense too, because you can actually see it as opposed to just hear it, because you can always stream the concert on Spotify if you want to just listen to it, but you can't just find the video, at least not yet. Okay, so now for the album. Okay, wow, that's actually really heavy, surprisingly heavy. Alright, so let me grab my handy dandy plastic cutter again. Okay. Make sure I don't nab that in the process. That's good, I think. Okay. So, there are so many things in this that I'm super excited about. I love the packaging, firstly. I think a lot of EXO's concert DVDs and live albums are packaged in black, and it's just a really, really chic look in my opinion. Alright, here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Alright, so here is the front. It has everything there again. And the back. Okay. Surprisingly, it doesn't have that like shiny sticker there. It just has that, which usually it has like a gold or something sticker that says it's from SM, but it doesn't. It has that it's from SM, but it's not a sticker. Okay, let's take these off. Alrighty. I am so excited to open this, I can't. Okay, here we go. Are you ready for EXplOration to Exoplanet number 5? Yes! Oh! Oh my gosh! I'm so happy. I can't believe it. You know, I'm shook. I don't know what to say. I literally wanted Chen so bad, and I literally got his photo strip. I cannot be happier. I literally got his photo strip. I'm so happy. Of course, I love all the members of EXO, but my biases are Chen, Kai, and Lay. And Lay is not even, he wasn't there during the concert because he's promoting his materials in China. But I was like, please, if possible. Okay, so there's this little pretend ticket. Oh, okay. So it has like where it was at the KSPO Dome in Seoul, South Korea, and then it shows the 4 dates that they had the concerts on. Very nice. Okay. And then we have some stickers here. Which I wish they were a little bit smaller so I can maybe decorate my light stick with, but it's okay. No worries, I can use them for something else. And then, not really understanding why they're, oh, I see. So there's like one for each